In this tutorial, we will learn how to generate structured output from OpenAI API. The response format parameter allows you to specify a JSON schema to structure the response. The schema should be a valid JSON object. The response will be structured according to the schema provided. Let's see how to use the response format parameter in the OpenAI API. We will provide a system message and a user message and set the max tokens to 200. In this example, the system message is, "You are a helpful assistant," and the user message is, "Tell me about the movie Titanic." We will also provide a response format in the form of a JSON schema. The schema will define the structure of the response. In the response format, we have defined a JSON schema for a movie trivia response. The schema specifies the properties of the response, such as the title, storyline, cast, year, and genre of the movie. The schema also specifies that the title, storyline, cast, year, and genre are required properties, and that no additional properties are allowed. Note the strict parameter in the schema. If strict is set to true, the response must adhere strictly to the schema. If strict is set to false, the response can contain additional properties not defined in the schema. The additional properties parameter must be set to false if strict is set to true. Now, let's look at the code to make the API call with and without the response format parameter. First code block shows how to make the API call with the response format parameter. The response will be structured according to the schema provided in the response format. Second code block shows how to make the API call without the response format parameter. The response will not be structured according to any schema. Let's click on the Submit button to see the response from the AI. In the response, you will see the structured response according to the JSON schema provided in the response format. The response will contain the title, storyline, cast, year, and genre of the movie Titanic. You will also see the unstructured response without the JSON schema. It's cool, right? You can use the structured output parameter to get responses in a structured format according to your requirements.